Hello everyone, we are here to see the demo of our product CourseVeda. Before proceeding towards it, we would like to give you a brief about our company, Hifi Technology Solutions. So Hifi Technology Solutions is a startup based in Pune. We have developed multiple products ranging from the food industry to education sector. We provide software services and develop products for our various clients. So if you want to digitize your idea into reality, we are the right place to be. You can contact us on our website www.hifitechnologysolutions.com. Feel free to connect with us. So Hifi Technology Solution is happy to present you our new product CourseVeda. CourseVeda offers features which are essential for taking education online, which would enrich your learning experience to students. So who can buy this product? Educational institutes, private tutors, classes can buy this product. So we'll make a website for you and integrate all the features of this product into your website so that students can register for the course, pay for the course and complete the entire course through your website. Student would find it convenient for accessing all the materials like study material, assignments, giving online Mc2 test, online-offline return test at any time. So without further ado, let's proceed to see the demo of our product. So the product has two sides. The admin side, which is accessible to the classes, private tutors and educational institutes. So only their faculty will have access to the admin side from where you can upload the course. We'll take a look first at the admin side, then we'll move towards the student side. So once you log in, as you can see, you can add new course. You can view the submitted assignments and tests given by the student. You'll have access to the discussion forum wherein the professor or the students can post their questions or queries and the students or the professor can answer to these queries. In my courses, a professor can see all the courses that have been created by him. Student profile lists all the students which are registered for the courses. In test analysis, professor can see the performance of each student. Deleted courses will act as a recycle bin for all the deleted courses. In grant permission, wherein the master admin or the master who will control your product will have the right to give permission to its faculties and to see like how much permission he wants to grant to each professor. We'll come back to it later. Let's first see how to create a new course. So in new course, you have to type the course name. You can specify the course description in short. You can specify the start date and end date of each course. So you can specify whether the course will be uploaded, that is the materials will be uploaded day-wise or week-wise. By default it is selected as week-wise. If you want to upload the material daily, so you can just tick it. We'll keep it week-wise as of now. You can select the course image that will be displayed to students. So select the image. You can see the preview of that image. After that, you can specify whether the course contains a fee or not, whether it's a free course or not. By default, it's selected as a free course, so you can specify the course amount if you want. Currently, we'll keep it as free course. Once you're done with it, you'll be redirected. So once you press on next, it will be redirected to the enrollment page, which will be used for promotional purposes. So when a student clicks on a particular course, he will see this page wherein you have to add the details of that particular course, like the course schedule, the test that will be conducted in the course. You can add free demo videos if you want, so that student will be able to view it. So we'll add a video from YouTube directly, you can add, or you can add it from your local space. As you can see, it's been inserted. We'll keep the rest as blank as of now. You can add here the test schedule. So this editor is very flexible. You can write, you can add content, you can add tables, you can add videos, anything that you want. So let's keep it as it is as of now. So as you can see, you can add answer writing session schedules, test schedule, everything. You can view the preview of this as if how it will look. So it will currently look like this. Okay, let's save this HTML. Okay, so this course has been created. So we'll go to one course and see how to add the material for weekly course. So once you are into the course, you have to select the week. So I have added it for this course. You can add name, description, add files which may be in any format, and you can delete it. So you just have to press add. You can add new file, GS1. You can add any description to it. You can add a file to it. Let's say GS1, and you have to press save. So here you have to add assignments. You can add type videos. So in the video section, what happens is once you add your lecture videos, our system will convert it into 5 formats, which are 240p, 480p, 720p, and 1080p. So these formats are being converted so that a student sitting at the remote location will be able to access that video according to his internet bandwidth. Also, the videos that you will be uploading will be encrypted, so nobody will be able to download it or record it using recording software. So this is the protection that we have added to our video section. Similarly, you can add study material that is to be viewed by students. Then you can add a test. So these are the weekly tests that you can add. Apart from that, you can also create a textual test or MCQ test. So we'll create one MCQ test. So you can type the test name, GS1 test, specify the time, 10 minutes, total weightage it carrying, 10 marks, select the test type. So you have to optional generic test or a combined test. So what happens is generally if you have supposingly, if we take the example of UPSC, so in GS1 paper, prelims, so for 100 questions, it is divided into subsections like history will have 10 questions, geography has 10 questions. So if you want to create subsections in a particular test, you can select this. So if you select generic, or you can select combined. Select combined. So you can add the subsections like history. This is very useful for test analysis. So when a student is viewing his analysis of test, he'll be able to see where in which section he's lacking. So we'll select as of now only 2 sections. Close. Okay. So you can specify the default marks for each question. So I'm currently selecting it as 5. So now you can add a question for it. which section it belongs to, and you can add the options. So you can add as many options as you want and select the correct option. Once you're done with this, you can add another question. Select the subsection and add options again. Once you're done with it, you can save the test, save as PDF, save the test, save and publish test. So this test has been published to the student. You'll see it when we go to the student section. So you can upload the test as well. So you can take the copy of this test as in a PDF format. You can re-upload this PDF and the test will be created automatically. So these are the current features being provided in the Mc2 Test Section. Let's go to the home section. Now we'll proceed towards the student section. So once student comes to your site, he will log in to his profile. Once he logs in, he'll be able to see his profile, his contact details and all. He'll see the list of completed courses, ongoing courses and the enrolled courses. In the home tab, he will see the list of all the courses that are being provided by the classes. So you can see the history test that we have created, history course that we have created right now. We'll go into the political science course and see how it looks. So as you can see, you can upload the data week-wise, so student can see it week-wise. He'll be able to see the videos. He'll be able to see the study material. From here he can directly download the material. Similarly, he can view the assignment, see the description, upload the assignments that he has created. You can just upload the assignment directly and press the upload button. Similarly, he'll be able to see the test and the question papers that have been uploaded by the classes. Yes, this assignment has been uploaded. So he can see the test and he can also upload the answer sheet to be checked by the professor. Let's see the video section. So once he clicks on the video, so as we have seen that the video will be created into various format as mentioned. So you can shift to any format. It's currently in the auto mode. So according to the internet bandwidth, this video will shift. So he can directly view the video. Let's go to the home tab again. Let's now go to the MCQ test section where we have created the test. So this is the test that we have created right now. The number of questions were 2 and total time was 10 minutes. So in here, as we have entered the question, so the student can take the correct answer. As you can see, the timer has started, which was 10 minutes. You can directly jump to the next question. You can answer the question and your test analysis will soon appear after the test. So once the student submits the test, his score will be displayed and he will be redirected to our home page. In student analysis section, he'll be able to see the analysis of each test. So we'll see the analysis. So if the student goes into the analysis section, he will be able to see the analysis of his test. In here, he will be able to see the sections like from which section, how many questions appeared for the test. As you can see, one question from the history section appeared for the test. whereas one section from the political science appeared for the test. In here, he'll be able to see like how many questions he has answered correctly for all the subjects and how many questions incorrectly answered. As you can see, one question was answered correctly and one question answered incorrectly. Similarly, if you press on any one section, he will be able to see here the sectional analysis. As you can see, history question was answered correctly. Similarly, for political science, if you see, political science question was answered incorrectly. So if there are multiple questions which belong to a particular section, he will be able to see the sectional analysis. Like if half questions or some questions were answered correctly for the section and some incorrectly, he will be able to see the graph accordingly. Similarly, he can go to view all subject and see this again the overall analysis for all the subject. Now, if we go down, he'll be also able to analyze question wise what was the correct answer and what was his answer. So, as you can see, for this question, he has answered option 1 as the answer, and the correct answer was also option 1. For second question, he has answered wrongly as he has selected the option 2, whereas the correct answer was for option 1. So, he will be able to analyze all these things for each question. Similarly, if he wants to keep a copy of his analysis, he will be able to. So as you can see, he will be able to print this and keep a copy of it with him. Then we'll proceed to the discussion forum. In the discussion forum, students or the teachers can post their questions directly. So let's go in. So herein, a few of them has posted the question, so you can also post the question, or you can answer to the existing question. So I'll create a new discussion wherein you can add the questions. So you can add the description for this question and create a new discussion. So this discussion is being created. So this can be answered by any professor. So we'll go to the professor side. Now the professor can see it in the discussion forum. So he can select the section. So it was posted in political science. As you can see, he can see the discussion or the question that has been posted by the student. He can answer it directly. So you can directly post the answer. So you can write the answer, or you can choose the file and you can upload the extra information if you want. So your answer has been posted. Now you can see it in the student section. So when you go to when was the Battle of Panipat fought, you have received the answer. So this is very useful, discussion forum. So discussion forum can also be used in another way, wherein the professors themselves can post daily questions to be answered by the students, so that it will act as a self-analysis for the students. Similarly, we have textual test section and course home section, wherein you can see the course home. So we'll take a look at a course that I have not enrolled yet. So this is the demo video that we had uploaded. So when a new student comes to the platform, he will be able to see the list of courses and the enrollment page. Once he buys for it, pays to the classes, then he'll be able to see the weekly data. So this page will be used by classes for promotional purposes, so that the student gets interested in buying the course. So this is directly been integrated from the YouTube. You can also upload it from your local disk. So similarly, we have the section called Submitted Assignments and Tests, where a professor can view the test or the assignment being submitted by the student, so he can see the assignment, who has submitted the assignment, the document, so you can upload the marks and write comments for each section, which will be viewed by students. Similar is the case with test. So once you select the test section, as you can see, the test, who has submitted the test, file name, directly you can check it, re-upload it, or upload the marks and write comments for it. This was about the submitted assignments and tests. Each student will come back to the grant permission section. So when we are going to provide this product to a particular class or educational institute, the admin will have the right to grant permission to each of its professor, so he can specify how much permission. So these are the professors that we have added. So I'll go into one, change permission. So for this particular professor, I have given this particular professor access to every feature of our product. So you can restrict the access to a particular professor for only viewing, like how many students have enrolled for their courses and all, but the major course upload will be done by the master admin. So this was regarding the professor side. So this is the brief demo of our product CourseVeda. Thank you for watching the product. If you want to view or get actual access to the demo of our product, do contact us. We'll give you 8 days access to see the working of the product so that you get familiar with the product. Do subscribe to our channel. Do view this product. Thank you everybody.